Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to fix sudden drop in FPS while playing games and graphic software. So friends, if you are facing this type error, so to fix it, firstly click on start. Now type regedit, click on registry editor. Now friends, in here expand HKey current user. Now expand system. Now in here click on game config store. Now in here right click on game DVR dash enabled, click on modify. Now change value data from 1 to 0, then click on OK. Now expand HK local machine. Now expand software, then expand Microsoft. This one, so expand Microsoft. Now in here expand policy manager. Now expand default. Expand application management. Now in here double click on allow game DVR. Now you will see option value, so right click on it, click on modify and change value data from 1 to 0. So delete 1 and make 0. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully friends, by using this very simple and easy method, we can fix Windows PC error. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update, and friends please comment this video work for you or not.